So this place we're at right now is called the Volcanic Park. So they originally had a lot of volcanoes, I guess, but all of them are sleeping right now. And this one, the government just refurbished it into a newly opened public park. So if you just bought a ticket, you can just come inside and look around. But I believe there's not gonna be like actually, you know, smoking volcanoes. And yeah, so let's go inside and check it out. Help! Help! I'm drowning! Whoa, it's so pretty though here, look. Y'all, they definitely like shaped this cactus into human-like figures. Volcano tree root carvings. Wow. Let's take a snap look of this. Oh my god, what is this? Y'all, check this out. I don't know, what do you think it looks like? It's like a giant chocolate, right? Oh my god. This way up! Guys, it's definitely a workout climbing those stairs. But, oh my god, look at this. So, we're currently at the highest point in Haikou, this capital city. The highest point. Oh my god, baby, bless you. Look.
Wow.
There's a giant hole down there. Right over there, the city line is Haikou, the capital of Hainan province. Alright, so since we went to the highest point, now we're gonna take another track down to the bottom of the volcano. Alright, let's go. Here's the road. And voila. I apologize for the shakiness. Imagine if this is a giant cenote. It kind of does look like the cenote, but just without water. Once it has water, then you can cave dive inside. That would be cool. Oh. 爬出来了，啊！哎呦 ，Goodbye volcano. Guys, so now it's nighttime and we're still in Haikou. So we came to this local night food market. I don't know what they got, so let's check it out. I had a doubt when coming here, but after seeing this, I think it's legit. I think we can find something real good.
You sure?
Yeah, and the street is so long. I think it's about... How long do you think the street is? How many food stalls do you think there are, maybe?
Fucking 100.
There's 100. 100 different choices for you, and I believe they're gonna be super cheap as well.
最甜最冰的是哪个 ？What the fuck?
What is that?
I think it's egg.
It is?
Yeah.
It's egg? Oh my god. So this is not only a dessert, but you can serve it as like a meal as well. Look.
Candy.
Oh my god.
Do you want to try?
No,
Oh, it's moving.
Alright, let me just try. Ah. It keeps slipping off. Damn. It's so good. It's so much better than I thought.
Julia got something to say.
I just love this so much. It's kind of sour, but really fresh. I don't know what's making that freshness. You should definitely try it when you have this chance. How's your oyster, baby?
Good. It's only $3 for this much.
This one's not sour. It's more like salty, but not that salty.
Do you like it?
I like the other one better. It looked more colorful, and it tastes more colorful. The fruit here is so good. We got mango and lychee, and so cheap.
So cheap.
Alright, bye bye night market.
So bye.
After dinner, we decided to take a little stroll in the most famous historical neighborhood in Haikou. These buildings are called Qilou. As you can see, these buildings are very Southeast Asia inspired. It's said that Qilou were built by the early immigrants who had worked and lived in Southeast Asia and returned home later. They want to splurge on expensive materials to renovate their hometown. And the smart design of these buildings are the tall columns, which can provide shades in summer and shed for raining days. Later, we went to a bar. It's called Number One Lab. Me and Jack always like to check out local bars wherever we travel to. And this bar is super cool with a lot of ambient lights. It's very romantic and also very photogenic. However, the drinks are not as good. Apparently, I wasn't happy about my strawberry yogurt.